Hi, Jen.
Hi.
Well,
Um,
somehow I don't see some of the students from first class in the at the beginning. So now that's why first time I closed the on the breakout room so that all of them move back to the original room.
okay. Yeah, I see. Well, Saria, Pichaya, Vanina. Oh no, it's Vanusa. They're all from the other class. I don't see some of them.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember I saw more of them when they
Second
first moved.
screen. Okay. On the second screen, there's Guadalupe. There's Andrea. T is here on the second screen. Do you see the second screen? You got so many screens now. Yeah. But
Yeah, I just close on the breakout room so that no more breakout rooms and that they should be on here.
yeah. Um, what I would say is if you want to keep doing that, because I know you're doing your midterm evaluations.
No, no.
Oh,
I stop it now so that we can work
oh,
on the
okay.
projects. Because I know
Okay.
more
Oh,
students
there's
already
Jefferson.
came.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
look like they
Okay.
are back here. Down back here. I saw
Okay.
35 total.
Okay, good.
Hi
Everybody's
Jennifer,
back.
Okay.
I'm confused. Am I in the right room or
Yeah,
not?
yeah. You on the right spot now. Everyone on the same house now already. So we can start. So
Okay.
yeah, what we do next is you
Okay.
go to capstone 2 project, capstones project 2 because we will work on that tonight. Okay, so go to your classroom, go to your Moodle. Okay, everyone, please. Okay, sorry for the moving back and forth. The breakout room. We should be on the same page right now. Go to your capstone 2, download the Word document and the Excel file, and we start with the assignment. Okay, so that's the goal that we need to do today. Okay, everyone ready? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, we'll ask you, okay? So download the Excel file, save it somewhere on your computers, and also open up your Word document.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay, so what I will do with you, I will go with you the very first two tab because that will be your main kind of the core of the problem. Okay, the next couple spreadsheet will be just the copy and paste with the adjustment. Okay, so I will go with you CP2 and CP page 1, CP2 page 2, and the rest you can work on your own. Okay, so why don't we talk about the so capstone 2 in this assignment they will request you. I know if you see the screen from my Excel. Okay. So in this assignment, they ask you to do a bank reconciliation. You need to make the adjusting entry for the bank reconciliation that you just repair. Number three, you repay income statement, balance sheet, and statement of retained earnings. And then number four will be a very short question that you need to do. So basically the projects here, just introduction from the Word document. So the company name Music is a supplier of musical instrument for professional and a unprofessional musician. Okay, so they give you a trial balance. You see here, it's a trial balance as of December 31st, 2021. So on the trial balance, you will see income statement and balance sheet, right, combined together on a statement. And then they give you a bunch of next page. They give you like 9 transaction or 9 fact that you need to factor in the adjustment entry. And then they give you instruction, what you need to do. And the last page, you will see the prereq when I read in your assignment, okay? One of the items you need to make sure is that the project due date. So you have to go by the project due date on the Moodle, okay? Whatever the day here, make sure you see it. And if you submit after the due date, again, you get 10 points deducted. Okay, so that the introduction. So in the Word document, before I do this capstone, I will look through, okay, what I need to do now. I move back to my Excel. Okay. So again, this sheet just introductional. You don't need to do any activity there. Move to the CB2. They give you the bank reconciliation that you need to do, right? And then they have the general journal that you need to do also. And continue here on the CB page 2. So start with bank reconciliation. So the very first line that when I look at bank reconciliation, I want to make for the period of December 31st, 2021. Okay. Balance per bank statement. So I go back to my Word document because I need to look for my beginning balance per bank statement. So if you read through here, you will see the most recent bank statement report a balance of 46,975. So that's your starting point, okay? So you need to enter that number as your starting point into here, 46,975. So that's your whatever it's called starting point. Because the end of the day, your goal of a bank reconciliation is that my balance on the bank statement and my balance on my accounting record must be equal, okay, after you do some adjustment. So that's the goal. So balance per bank statement is 46,975. Then you have to do the adjustment. Include, you have to add deposit in transit. You have to deduct the account, the outstanding check. So that will give you an answer. The next step, they ask you is what is the deposit in transit not recorded by bank? So I go back to my Word document and I will look for the deposit of 16,500 reached the bank too late for inclusion in the current bank statement. So that means you deposit check. However, the cut-off time, because of the cut-off time, it didn't show on the bank statement. Okay, so now you have to add them on the bank statement. So I need to add 16,500. So so my total here is 63,475. Okay. And then you need to deduct outstanding check. So here they tell you exactly the number of the check. So you just easily go back to the Word document. And you look for the check amount and the check number. So 508 will be 5,500. check 511 75,000 and check 521 8,000. So you just enter the number in. It's 5500 7500 and 8,000. Okay. So what you need to do is you have to sum up all of your outstanding check. So you need a, I mean, you have a total of 21,000 of total outstanding check. So the next step that you need to do is you, after you have after you have the addition and the deduction, you will figure out the adjusted cash balance. So equal the total here minus, because it's a deduction, so that's why I minus 21. So your cash balance per bank statement will be 42,475. Okay.
I think we can't see your screen.
You cannot see my screen.
No.
How about now? Can you see Excel?
Yeah,
Yes.
now it's okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
now we can.
I guess I forgot.
Now
to-
we can. Now we can.
So that's your your bank reconciliation based on the number of the bank statement. Okay. The next step is you have to figure out the balance of the bank, the cash account, based on whatever you have on your accounting record. Okay. And again, I need to begin with my starting point. So my starting point is how much, everyone? Where should I look for the number of my accounting cash balance? Someone can help me? Tell me where should I go to get that number? If I want to look for my cash balance on my account, on my record.
Should be in the balance sheets.
Yeah, on the balance sheet, very good. Basically, you go to trial balance, right? And right here, the cash balance before adjustment will be 45,000. So what you need to go back here, back to your Excel and type in 45,000. Okay, and then you need to do some adjustment here. So one of the adjustment will be the bank charge you some fee. There are some non-sufficient fund check, which stand for NSF. Okay, so you need to do these two entry, these two adjustment. So look for the bank chart. You will go to your Word doc and scroll down on question 1. I want to look for the fee. Anyone see how much? Anyone know how much the bank charge you after you read that paragraph?
25.
Yeah, 25. And at the same time, you have a non-sufficient check. So everyone, if you don't remember what is a non-sufficient check means, is that someone, you sell the products to them, right? They send you a check to pay you. However, when you go to the bank to deposit that check, the bank say, okay, no, it's not a good check. It doesn't have enough money in that. The bank return that check to you and charge you like $35 fee, for example. So that's non-sufficient check. Basically, the check not have enough money. So the non-sufficient check will be 2,500. Remember that number, and the bank fee will be 25. Okay, so you go back to your Excel and you key that number in. So 25 and then 2,500. Again, you do a subtotal 25 plus 2,500. So you get 2,2525, right? I don't know why they enter the total for you in advance, but so after that you get the adjusted cash balance. So you get the beginning plus, no, I'm sorry, minus the deduction for the two items. So you get 42,475. So as you see, after I do the reconciliation, the number that I have based on the bank statement 42, the number based on my account record is 42. So that's the goal that you need to do whenever you do bank reconciliation. Okay. So at an account in the real world, you also need to do this step too. And at the end of the day, these two numbers must be equal. Good question. No one? No one have question, right? Or you already finished and I
I have a question. Sorry,
Yes.
I have a question. So when I put my information on
Uh,
my adjust cash balance, so if I
Yep.
open, let me share. Okay, I'm
yeah,
sharing my.
I guess yeah, you can share your screen.
And then if I go here, I don't see the. So here. So this 20. Oh, so this goes here. Is that what it is that I did wrong?
Correct. You should do a sum function of these three together.
But it's still it doesn't see this a balance.
Yeah, the reason. Okay, hold on.
But it doesn't show here.
Yeah, because you missed something. Because at G14 you didn't do any formula here yet. That's why you don't have the correct amount. Go back to G14. G14.
Okay, G14 here.
You have to do a kind of a formula. Do equal 63 minus 21. 63,475 minus 21,000.
63,000, or I have to choose the thing out here, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You just use Excel. You have formula. Just use formula.
Sorry to interrupt, but I think you type on G13.
G.
G14, right?
Yeah, you need to G14. Okay. Raphael, right? Raphael. Yeah.
This is Kate.
That one G13 must be equal F11 until F13. You have to do that
Okay,
step
let me
first.
open the thing. Hold on.
Okay, you can look at the screen. I can show you one more time.
Yeah, I'm looking at your screen right now.
I can share you one more time, show you one more time how I get that. Okay.
Yeah, this is smaller.
So the first step you need to do here is that you see my screen, right? G13. What I just did is I sum F11 until F13. That's why I get 21,000. Okay.
Okay,
You
so
should that 21,000 be in minus or in positive?
No, total first, total 21 first, and then the next one will be minus 63 minus 21.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like the 21,000 on the bracket, should we keep it on the bracket or just leave it
No,
like that?
that's no, because they already give you that say that's deduct, so that you can use that at a positive and just use subtraction.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah.
okay, and this one?
Huh?
And this one over here?
Which one over here? So you
So
see here
G13.
G13 is the total of these three, right? You get that, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Next one will be equal G9 minus G13. And then you get whatever answer, 42,475. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Someone, okay, so move to the next one. So the next one will ask you to do the general and general journal. So if I am you, I will see, okay, they give me a lot of entry. The first step that you, for my easier to follow, I will highlight whatever the entry, the description, actually the description of the entry that they want you to make. Okay, so that you know, okay, which number I should get from. You do the same way. You don't need to highlight as I do. I just highlight so that we know what we need to get the number from, or which number we need to get. Okay. So after I do that, number one, the letter A, they ask you to record the bank service charges for December and the non-sufficient check received from Itgibate. So I remember that, okay, the bank charged me $25 and then a non-sufficient check is 2,500, right? So I need to debit my expenses of bank charge 25, okay? And because I received a non-sufficient check, that means the customer still owe me 2,500, okay? My account receivable will be increased, debit 2,500. Again, you can, because it's an Excel, you can link whatever you can do, or you can key in. It doesn't matter as long as your answer are correct. That's totally okay. Okay. So I already entered debit for bank charge and account receivable. So I know that my cash adjustment should be how much, everyone? 25 plus 2,000, 25, 25. So that's my entry that I need to make for A. Okay. Move to B. They say to increase, okay, on balance sheet, they have some stock or security that they have on the balance sheet. They want you to increase the reported value of marketable security from 25,000 to 27,500. Basically, that they tell you is that, okay, the stock that I bought in the past, the value is 25 on the book. However, in the market, the same stock, now they cost 27,500. So per accounting, they allow you to do adjustment to make sure print up your current value into the market value. Okay, so that's is the reason why you have this entry. So it used to be 25,000, now it's increased to 27,500. So the change should be 25,000. 2,500. So you need to do is you the value increase, debit, and you have to hit unrealized gain, right? Because you bought one, but now it's value is 3, so you get $2 of gain. That's why you record a gain here. And because it's not sold yet, it's still on the book. That's why they use the word unrealized holding gains on investment. Okay, so I will keep moving until you have question, okay, because we have more to go. Let us see, they will ask you to record uncollectible account expense for December. So if someone remember just refresh that you sometimes you sell customer promise to pay you. However, because of financial difficulty, they cannot pay you at their promise. As the seller, you have to record uncollectible account expense. Okay, so now you have to, because I don't see any number that I can get here, move back to your Word document. And it should be at question 3, okay? So if you read this paragraph, it says the management conclude that an allowance for doubtful account should be 8,500, okay? That should be your balance of allowance. However, if I go back to my trial balance and I look for the allowance for doubtful account right here, it's only show 5,000. It's supposed to be 8,500, right? That's why your responsibility is you have to make an adjustment to bring up from 5,000 into 8,500. And for sure, the adjustment should be 3,500, right? So go back to your Excel. And you do that adjustment. I know that, okay, my allowance should be increased by 3,500 and the uncollectible account expense increased by 3,500. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
So letter D, cost of goods sold and inventory. Anyone know how to do this one?
Yeah, I think your screen is gone off.
Oh, my screen not show up. Okay. What should I do with the letter D, everyone? Anyone know how to? No one? We have 2 classes. So that means some of you know how to do it. No one really? It's already here in the. Oh, may I ask you, is someone recording our section, right? Because I hear the echo behind. Anyone?
Oh,
The
I have my thing on. Maybe that's why you.
Yeah. Can you turn it up because it just
We're sorry. I
on,
didn't.
yeah.
Sorry.
This video will be posted on YouTube, and I will give you the link so that you can revisit. And
Oh no, I wasn't recording. It was just my microphone was on for some.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why I say I hear my voice again. Yeah, can you
Oh,
just turn off?
Sorry. Yeah, sure.
Oh, no
Sorry.
worry. No worry. So cost of goods sold, record inventories, trinket, missing guitar. Right here, everyone. I don't know why you don't have the answer right here. They tell you the cost of missing item is $13.50. Okay. Good job, Jefferson. So you will your inventories decrease by $13.50 and your cost of goods sold increased by 1350. So that's record the inventory shrinkage of missing guitar. So as after they count, they found out that some guitar are missing. So that's why they will decrease the inventory value. And move the same amount into cost of goods sold. Okay. And the next one. To record the office supply used in December. So you go back to your Word document. A little tricky here. A calculation that you need to make before you get the answer for the entry. So they tell you that at December, you at number 5, okay? At December 31st, they tell after they counting, they do the inventory count, they say 900 in the office supply remain on hand. So basically what they tell you is that at the end of the year, my office supply value should be 900, okay? So my job is go back to my trial balance and I look for office supply. And if you see it's here. Your book tell me that, okay, I have 1200 office supply. However, based on the calculation, based on the inventory count, it should be only 900. Okay, that's why you need to make an adjustment of 300. Okay, so you get going back to your Excel. Again, have to go back and forth, new share. Okay, so you have to reduce office supply and increase the office expense. Can anyone tell me which debit, which credit I should make? Which one I do debit, which one I do credit?
I mean, that would be the same. Office supply expense for 300, Debbie.
Excellent, thank you. Yep, 300 and 300. Again, office supply decrease credit because it's an asset. Expand debit because it's increase. Okay. So that will be your first half of adjusting entry. Any question? No one, right? Can I move on to the next page?
Sure.
Okay.
Yes, please.
So the next one will tell you about what insurance and prepay insurance. So they ask you to record the insurance policy expire during December. The note is important. They say 1 month of 12-month policy has already been accounted for in December. So what does it mean? When you read this one, what does it mean to you? So so let I give you an example, okay? So for example, one day that you go to the AAA and you buy insurance policy of cover 12 months and you pay them $1,200 for a year, okay? So 1 year will cost you $100, right? That's when you buy the insurance. Every single month, you need to make the adjusting entry to record the insurance expense. Okay, so you need to do every single month, 1 month cost me 100. So every single month I have to debit insurance expense by $100, and I reduce my repay insurance amount by $100. Okay. Go back to our example. We are at number 6. The company pay for insurance for 12 months in advance. Its most recent payment was made on November 2021. The rest just for informational. So my bad, sorry. If you look at your trial balance, I look for my repay expenses, repay insurance. And I saw right here, my repay insurance, 6,600, okay? So that 6,600 is my repay insurance. However, they told me that 1 month, 1 month of 12-month policy has already been accounted in November. So that means how many months that you had left on your repay insurance, everyone? You pay for 12 months, right? And you already account 1 month. You have how many left? No one? No one has answered?
600.
How'd you get 600? How'd you get 600? Can you explain why? Because I took, yeah, correct. Very good. Very, very excellent. Because the amount of 6,600 is represent for 11 months only, because every single month you have to do an entry, recorded your adjusting entry for insurance repay, insurance expense and repay expense. So the amount that's shown on your trial balance, it only represent for 11 months only. And when I take this one divide by 11, this will be 600 per month. And that's exactly the amount that you need to record per month as the insurance expense. Okay, so that's why the entry here we make is increase 600, insurance and repay insurance 600. Okay, so that's, I guess that's the only trick, one of the tricky entry that you need to make on page 2. The rest will be very straightforward. Okay, so if I move to the depreciation, I will look back to my Word doc and I can see the number right away. There's a depreciation every single month will be 5,000. So you just need to make the entry for 5,000. Okay, and the next one will be unearned, to record revenue earned from advanced special order. You go back to your Word doc. And you will see a large, a very big paragraph about the about this entry. But what really number that you need to look at is they tell you as of December 31st, 48,000 of these deposits remain unfilled because the special order guitar had not been received from the manufacturer. So basically what they tell you is that at the end of the day, you receive 4,800 from customer. However, you don't give them the products yet. So you need to do an adjustment entry to reflect the correct amount of 4,800 on the trial balance. Okay, so now I go to my trial balance. I look for account name unearned customer deposit. Unearned customer deposit. Right here, 8,000. They tell you that, okay, at the end of the year should be 4,800. However, on your book, it shows at 8,000. So you need to make an adjustment of how much, everyone? Everyone. Where everyone going?
Like 3,200.
3,200, yeah. So you go to,
Can I just see when you have a chance, share your screen and so I can see where, because I
see what, the Excel or the,
the Excel, so I just don't know if I'm putting in the right place.
yeah, I'm doing right now. I have to move back.
Depreciation. I did it
So
wrong.
you need to reduce, right? Because I used to have 1,000. Yeah. So you need to reduce the unearned customer deposit and reduce and increase the unearned customer deposits is a liability. Okay. So when you increase it, it will increase. It will be credit. No, I'm sorry. This will be debit. I'm sorry. So it should be 32 and then 32. See my assignment.
See.
Okay. So the last one will be income tax expense. Go back, Word document. To see my income tax expense. Scroll down and you say your tax liability or your tax expenses should be 81,000. Okay, right here. However, if I look back to my balance sheet account, I saw that I look for income tax payable. And I saw that I already recorded 75. So I just need to record in the different. Okay, I don't need to record the whole 81. I just need to record whatever different. So 81 minus 75. So that you need to do an adjustment of 6,000. Okay, so you move back to your Excel and you do that entry. 6,000 and 6,000. So that will taken care of on your entry. Anyone have question? No one? Where are everyone? Everyone okay? Everyone's so quiet, huh?
Yes, thank you. We here.
You here? Okay. So the next two, let me share the screen back. So because you already have on the adjusting entry, right? You have on what you need to do on the ingredients. Click on page 3. And what you need to do is you have the beginning trial balance, right? And then you have some adjustment you just make. So the part that you need to do now is you have to pop up the total of adjusted amount onto this adjusted trial balance. So I will do the first two or the first 3 account at example. Your job need to do the rest, complete the adjusted trial balance. Okay. Your check should be after you enter on this amount in. You need to check, okay, my total debit is this equal to my total credit or not? Okay. So let we do one example, and you will continue the rest. Okay. So your step 1 will be, okay, I start with my unadjusted trial balance. Okay. I factor into the account of the adjustment that I just make. That will give you the total that you need to put on here. So example, cash. My cash should be 42,475, right? Because it's in my balance after I make the, so I equal, again, you can do copy and paste, or you can use formula. It's totally up to you. As long as you have the same amount that we need to get to, it's totally okay. I usually just link that way. I don't need to type, and sometimes it get the typo. Okay. 42,475, and then you do the next one, marketable security. I remember that's okay. If you look at your unadjusted trial balance, you will see that it's 25,000, right? But you remember that you already make an adjustment increased by 2,500. So my number should be 27,500 instead. Oh, that's my number. So it should be my 27,500. And you do the same way with account receivable. So you go back to your trial balance. Account receivable is 1,2500, right? That's my starting point. However, during the year, I have you see here, I have an adjustment of account receivable. That's all I have. That's all I have, adjustment for account receivable. So it's
We can see your
decreased.
Excel sheet.
Oh, okay. So what I just make is, okay, my beginning is 125,000 at the beginning, right? And then I have an adjustment of account receivable debit mean increase, right? You don't need to do add here. It's fine if you make, okay, 127,500 because you do calculation outside. But if you do that way, I know, okay, you understand where you start and what you make to add up here. So 12500 plus 2500. So I get account receivable of 127,500. So please do the rest of this account. Some of them will be the same with the prior but unadjusted because we don't have any adjustment. Do that, and so you can take we will take the dinner break now to come back at 8 p.m. and you start working on your own for the trial balance. Okay. Sounds good, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you already have the core, the hard part. The rest we will just plus or minus and pop up on the statement. It will be your practice, okay?
So,
Okay.
question, at the end of the class, are we going to review everything or not?
You have to do first. So 4 and 3, 4 and 5. Because if they say yes, then no one do it and just wait to get the number in.
No,
Right.
I totally understand because I am a little ahead and I just want to make sure.
You to make sure the end result, right? Yeah.
Yes, that I'm
Okay,
doing.
so the answer is okay. Let's do your best and let's see how you go. Okay.
Okay. So if I want to ask,
If you have question, you can send me the message. I can see which one you have question. Okay.
yeah, I will
But
send.
I really want people just try to plug the number themselves instead of we have
Okay.
number just plug in. Okay.
Great.
Okay, take a break and come back later. Okay, everyone.
Cool. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mùi này là sao anh bán rồi dữ chưa?
Không là coi ra là đến hết 1 giờ sáng là mới xong, đúng không? Tối nay nữa. Tối này là ông Biden, ông Ben tới trước, ông Biden tới trước, kiến thức một rồi ông Biden, ông Biden cũng lấy tới.
Yeah.
Rồi hai ông đứng lên rồi nói với nhau hồi nghĩa là kiến thức gì đó, nghĩa là ông Ben mới lại đi chỗ khác, và ông cũng đi lại. Đúng không? Nói chuyện cái ông đi đây là ông Ben không ngược đó.
Yeah.
Ông mạnh dạn bắn rung. Mai Ben thấy ông quá nồng ngột luôn rồi.
Yeah. Thằng Ngọc là bị thoát tim hả? Bị ngập bị choáng sân khấu á.
Ngày kia ông làm một trường cái sân cũng không đúng mà. Cái bên ngoài ông phải đi bộ ra nữa.
Hồi này người ta đi chắc với lại một chắc đi kèm với một bill. Thấy ra cái chắc gì bên gì nói còn bill
khi mà xin đi uống thì 2 tờ mà. Nhưng một cái tiền khác chứ.
Điện nước.
Nó lại quá nước đầu.
Đó nè. Không vô.
Ba xoa kẹt tay không thấy ơi. Vì giá nó quá.
Chịu thôi.
Mai mấy giờ đi?
Hẹn 10 giờ hả? 9 rưỡi đấy.
Không đi một phiếu à?
Giờ phiếu đâu?
Bởi vì chúng tôi lo nó không một phiếu đi vào rồi đó.
Không đi vào.
Không nói ông đi vào.
Dạ nó không vào.
Thì ông chúng mở rồi tại ông không phải là chính trị đâu. Ông chấp nhận cái chuyện là ông nói đi. Nó là giống như dân chợ búa vậy á.
Thì phải làm gì đó đó. Tôi gọi gì vậy? Không thích mình phải chịu.
Mặc áo nữa, mới lạnh luôn luôn.
Okay, everyone. So hopefully you already have a good dinner, right? So so you will continue working on. You will continue working on tab. Tab. Oh, okay. So you continue working on tab 3. Okay, 3 first. Then you give me the answer. Okay. So give you some time to work on your own of this one. During that time, I will make sure that on your score on the Moodle. Okay, everyone. So try to work on your own B3, and then if you do B3 done, you do B4. Okay. So do on your own first. Try it. After you try, give me the answer, okay? Tell me how much you get for the other account, allowance, and so on. May I ask, in our class, any of you haven't even started with project 1, 2, or 3? Did anyone?
What do you mean? You mean in our class if we have done it?
Yeah, no, I mean the class. Yeah, in your class, is there anyone that even haven't started with the projects 1, 2, and 3?
I think most of us are all done with those projects, especially because we had to submit it by.
The due date, right?
Yeah, no, we had to submit them by Friday because it was the half since our classes started.
Half, correct. Yeah.
The syllabus, we had to submit all of them on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
So I think everyone should be done.
Should be right. Yeah, that's
I don't remember anyone saying that they couldn't do that. I know that the capstone won. So I have not done it, but they didn't reach out to the group, so I wouldn't know. But I don't think people are, at least in our class, are late on the first 3 projects.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. How about our my class, the class, the class regular class? Any one of you haven't submitted project 1, 2, and 3? Anyone? Monday and Wednesday class, section 2. Any one of you not started? with any projects? No one? No answer? Is Flavio around? Flavio. Hello, Flavio.
Can I ask you something? How much do the absences and presence is worth in the final grade? Is it inside participation or?
It's part of the participation. It's part of your
So it's part of the 20% that is
20%,
measured
yeah.
in participation, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Hello, Talita. Talita.
Teacher?
Yeah, you here? Can you
Yes.
look at the look at the chat? Hello, Talita. You know what I tried to tell you?
Yes, I think so. Huh?
Yeah. So you should just, whatever you finish, make sure you submit it so that you get score. Okay. So because you stuck with one of the question, why don't you submit it? Everyone, I just checked, and a lot of you haven't finished project 4. Is there any reason because why you the reason why you haven't finished project 4? Everyone, my class, I only see Suwana, Joanne, Prihat.
Me, I submit, but always I don't know why you cannot see mine.
Oh yeah, that's true. I only saw like 5 of your friends have the score here. What is the reason? Is it because Vanina? I don't see your score here. Oh yeah, your too. I saw your. So I had Ada, Vanina, Suwana P, Suwana S, and then Joanne, Prihat. That's all. That's all I have. Only 5 of you submitted. Is there any reason why you stuck with something, or I remember we went through that also, right? On the on Wednesday class.
Did you call me, teacher?
No, I say I just received an for project 4. I only received the submission of only 6 of you. So I just want to know the reason why most of you haven't completed.
I've completed on Friday, but it says like you only completed
Hello?
like 75%.
Is there someone talking?
Couldn't hear you. Yeah, is someone just talk? Hello?
Yes, can you hear me now?
I don't know. You mean your
No.
class, right? Because you can only see the submissions of your class, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about my class, the class.
Yeah. I'm just making sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I only have 5 of you. The name that I just read submitted. Most of you are, more than half of you haven't submitted. And we already passed due.
Hi, Dale.
Yeah.
Did you mean to ask me about project number 4?
Yeah.
Okay, because in the message you asked me number 3.
Oh yeah, no, because I also cannot see number 3 score on my end too. Can you check if you submitted? I mean, you make completed, but you didn't hit submitted.
On the Connect, right?
On the Connect, yep.
Okay.
And you check project 3, and if you already submitted, take a snapshot of the score report and send it to my email so that I have the record, and I will enter the score here.
Oh,
somehow,
okay.
Yeah, somehow some of you I cannot see the score on my Connect.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, I have both project 3 and project 4.
Yeah, I saw number 4, but I don't see 3. That means maybe 3 you haven't hit submitted. Can you check?
That's weird.
Yep. Yeah, I see 4 on my end.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not 3. I don't see.
Okay. Let me send you an email.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, everyone. I will correct the next one. Okay, and we can do the rest. So I just show you the result that I got after I enter the number in here. I use this one from Saturday and Sunday class. They have the same problem with you. So at the end of the day, you should have, that's your big picture. Okay, you should have debit total of 3,821,200, and your credit side also the same amount. Okay, everyone, you can compare whatever you have on your screen and what we have as at the end of December 31st, the adjusted trial balance. Okay. Everyone have the same answer? Everyone?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Yeah, so if you had that total amount correctly, that means you're good to go. Okay. So that's the question B3, okay? So you have the trial balance with the account from balance sheet, from cash until retained earning, right? And the half of that will be starting from unrealized should be on the balance sheet too. So the rest of these will be the income statement, okay? So the next step, number 4 and number 5, just basically take this adjusted trial balance and separate them into income statement and balance sheet and retained earning report. So if the next step you need to do is again, there are a couple ways to do. You can copy. I can quickly do income statement for you to watch, okay? So that how I get that result. And again, you always able to follow here. Okay, let's do income statement. So you can link between sale, move back to B3, and you look for sale right here, 1603. Okay, you will do the same way with cost of goods sold. Okay. Yeah, cost of goods sold, 95,959,350. As you get this one from here. And then you will take sale minus cost of goods sold. It will bring you to cross profit, okay? And then on the expenses, you just equal. So like I do here, equal 225 for bank charge, and you do the same way with on the expenses. I need to adjust something here. Okay. So after you have on the expensive, you will sum up these in together, and you have a total of expense 472,025. Then income before taxes will be your gross profit minus your total expense. Okay, so it should be G17. Yeah. And then tax, again, tax amount you get from B3, 81,000. Income tax expensive, That's what I get here. And then your net income will be the income before tax minus tax. This will be 9825. Okay, that should be your number.
Teacher, can you just, sorry, go a little slower on those last three that you did?
The last 3 digits. Okay.
I'm sorry.
So sure.
GAT.
Yeah, we'll start fresh here. So my income before income tax will be gross profit minus my total expense at G17. Okay. So I took this one minus this one, I will get 171. Thank you, Suwana. I will update the score. Okay.
Thank you, Dil.
Yep. Swear. Is it because you've not submit 3 yet, or is there something? Because it's not only happened for you, it's happened for some of the friends too. Some of the project shows.
I submit most of them before the due date.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
somehow 4 show up, but not 3.
Oh, okay. Next time I'll make sure that I
Yeah.
reach out to you before the due date.
Yeah, no, I guess as the end of the quarter, I will ask all of you to take a picture of, because you had the full report up on the project score on one page. That way I can make sure that you have on the score.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So after I have the income before income tax, right? My income tax expenses per trial balance will be 81, right? Right here, income tax expense 81,000. I link that into here. And then my last step will be tax income before tax minus tax. That will bring you to net income. Okay, everyone follow? The way we are doing now. So that will be your net income on income statement. And as you know, as you remember, after we do income statement at the year end, your net income will be put into retained earning. Okay, so that's why the next step or the next statement, they want you to complete a statement of retained earning. So the only 3 steps that you need to do is you should have the retained earning beginning of January 1st, and then you add the income, whatever you have from here under here. So I will do, okay, I want to look for my retained earning beginning on January 1st. So equal this one, retained earning. That's my beginning balance of retained earning. 240,200. Okay, and then I have this year I get the income of 9825. Okay, so the last step I will do is I will take my beginning, add, you see here they say add net income, so you just add net income. This will bring you to the ending balance of retained earnings. Everyone good? Yes, no. No response. No response means that you already get the result correctly.
Yes. My result's the same. It was the same, but it just the
Yeah,
last
just
one.
different. Doesn't matter. I don't. I don't. As long as you get the correct result, that will be the answer. You may do formula, or you may not do the formula. That's okay. Although if you do formula, you will know, okay, how I get that number from, because at the accountant, most of the time when they do the spreadsheet with a lot of sheet like the one that we do on the capstone, they will link the number. They will use the formula. So that way, couple months later, they go back and they say, okay, where that number I get from? I get from another work paper or where I get it. So, okay. Okay, so that's your B4. I move to B5, okay? So on B5, similar way with what you did on B4. However, before income statement, B5 will be balance sheet, okay? So I will do the same way. If you look at here, if I click on cash, right, you will see I use the number from CB2, B3. So you see CB2, B3. That's my cash number, okay? So your responsibility is enter, copy, whatever you say. This number from cash until unrealized gain on investment, because these account belong to balance sheet, okay? So you have to enter this number in here. So what I got, I can do one by one. It's couple one for you to look. Cash, my cash here. Marketable security will be right here. Account receivable. Account receivable 127,500. However, it have an allowance for doubtful account, which 8,500 right here. So you have to deduct it. So on B5, you get 127,500, and then you enter the allowance for doubtful account. You make a calculation, take F11 minus F12. That's why you get 119, right? 119,000. For this number, you basically just copy it from B3, like merchandise inventory here, 248, okay? The same way with office supply, same way with prepay insurance. And then after I have these on current assets, you see here the way that you can check it before any category, like current assets, non-current assets, plant and equipment. They had the title here for you, and at the end of each title, they have a total, a subtotal. So you have to do a subtotal from cash until repay insurance. That will give you the amount of total current assets. Okay, and you do the same way with plant and equipment, the building and fixture right here, 1791, and accumulated depreciation 805. So make sure you back that out. Okay, so I have 1791 at my building and fixture. Subtract on last accumulated depreciation 805. Then you get 9896 because you took this amount minus this amount. You get the book value, net book value of building and fixture. Do the same way with land, and then you have a total of plant and equipment. So you add 986 with 64,800, you got 105,800, and then your total assets equal your current assets plus total plant and equipment. Okay, so that take care of your total assets. Any question, everyone? Anyone tried to do this one yet or haven't?
Mine's finished already.
Okay, I know. Okay, some of you already finished. Some of you still working on. Yeah, very good. But that's how you calculate assets. Okay. So do the similar way with liability. Again, always they have the title first, current liability. Under current liability, you have account payable. Again, I took this amount from CB2, B3. So my account payable, 70,000. Okay. So you go through one by one per the title, and you make a subtotal of total current liability. We don't have any long-term liability here. That's why I hit 0 here. Total liability will be include current plus long-term. Okay, current plus long-term. So because 0 for long-term, that's why you have the same amount here. That takes care of your liability. And the last one will be stock owner equity. Capital stock will be 1 million. Same way, CB2, B3. Stock. Capital stock 1 million. Retained earning, you should get from statement of retained earning on before. That's where I get from 331,025. And then unrealized gain on B3 right here, 8,500. So if I add these up together, I will get total stock owner equity of 1,339,525. Okay. And the last step will be total liability plus stock equity. So I will take total liability here plus my equity, the total I got 1,495. So whenever you do whatever different way you do, at the end of the day, your total assets must be equal total liability and equity. So the way that I correct your capstone, whatever you do, however you do, the first check will be total assets equal total liability. Okay. Any question, everyone? Or everyone on mode get ready to sleepy already?
Can I please see the accounts receivables amount?
Account receivable amount. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Can I see a P3 and P4 ones?
B3 and B4 1 second. Okay. B3.
And P4, please.
And B4, yeah. Anyone else?
Thank you.
Yep. Anytime. Anyone else?
The cost of goods sold, shouldn't it be on the credit? I mean, this side. On.
You mean cost of goods sold?
Uh-huh.
Cost of goods sold. Where is that?
Yeah, I put that on the left side.
You
that's
mean you put
confused.
on the left side? Yeah, that's right, huh? I missed that. Yeah, you're right. I should move this one up here. And then just adjust to give you the same result. Yeah. Thank you, Prihat. Yeah. You put cost of goods sold on the left because together with the expensive. Okay. So that will be your CB5. And make sure you check your total must match. Okay, so for CB6, actually they already give you, I don't know, somehow, again, that's the same with capstone 1. They give you the answer. I mean, in this case, they already give you how they calculate the account receivable turnover and inventory turnover per day and per time. So what you kind of just need to understand is that whenever they calculate the account receivable turnover, they will take sale divided by average account receivable, and the way to get into average account receivable will be you take account receivable on January 1st, you add with account receivable on December 31st, and you divide by 2. Okay, that's how they get into 119. Some cases in the accounting problem, if they don't give you the beginning, you assume at 0, and then you take the ending divide by 2 to get the average. What you just need to understand is what does that mean in terms of account receivable turnover. So basically that shows how fast the company able to convert their account receivable into cash. Okay. The same concept with inventory turnover. It shows how quickly or how fast the company able to convert inventory into sales. So because they already give you the answer of how calculate per day, the task you need to do is you have to plug in the number. What is the account receivable date? 27. The inventory day, they give you here 94, so you enter 94 here. And the operating cycle. So operating cycle will be include account receivable turnover day by day plus the inventory and minus the account payable turnover day. And in this case, they don't give you account payable, so we can assume it's 0. So the operating cycle will be 27 plus 94 and should be 121. That's all you need to do on number 6, on question on B6. Any other question, everyone? No one respond? Yes, no?
No, thank you.
Okay. So that's taking care of your capstone 2. Okay. Any question, feel free to ask. Because we will not visit project capstone 2 again.
Teacher, did you said before that if we need any help, we should attend to there is a class or something?
I'm sorry, say it again.
Yes, you told us that if we need any help, we can attend to
Oh, the tutoring, right? Yeah, that's true. You mean the tutoring section? Yeah, the tutoring section will be on Thursday and Friday. And if you want to attend from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. And if you want to attend, just email me and I give you the Zoom link to the class. Okay. Everyone have my email, especially. Yeah, let me type here. I know my class aware of, but I don't know if your class aware of that we have tutoring. And again, it's not a full class. It will be kind of one-on-one extra help to get, especially some of you behind or some of you on the risk of failing the class. That's the goal of the tutoring. So so that's why I don't share the Zoom link for that tutoring broadly for everyone, because not everyone need it. And I don't want to keep that class too big because some really need help and must be on one-on-one because they need real extra help. Some of you already ahead of the game or understand very well, so you don't need to be in that section. Okay, so I just sent email. So if some of you want to join tutoring section Thursday and Friday, then just email me. I will send you the Zoom invitation. Okay. Any other question? What time again? The time will be from time will be on Friday, on Thursday, and Friday.
Is it Friday or Thursday?
Both. Last week they only Thursday, but because more students in the result, they need extra help. That's why they open one more section on Friday too.
Okay, which means a Thursday and Friday, right?
Thursday and Friday, yeah. Thursday and Friday from 11
to 1, right? 11 to 1. Thank you.
Yeah. And again, you don't need to stick around for 2 hours. Just come, finish the assignment, and then you can go.
Thank you.
Yep. Teacher, can you please check if caption 2 is submitted? Then my shrink 1. Okay. Sure, Rehab, give me a second. Anyone, may I ask you when you submitted the on Connect, they give you the score right away or you have to go somewhere to see the score, like the report?
Return to the main page.
So it show the score right away?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Pre-hat capstone 2 will be on Moodle. So let's see. Capstone 2. Pre-hat, can you look at the screen? I guess just hit upload it.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, and for sure that because I'm not rated yet, so you don't see the score yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to know if it's
yeah, as long as okay, like some of you already submitted, so at least you see that screen, that means you good to go.
No, I got it. Thank you.
Yep. Anyone have question? Again, if you plan to go to tutoring section, can you please, let's say if you want to go on Thursday, please let me know early as you can, like Tuesday or so, because if like I with you, then and another like 2 or more student in, then I cannot help you as much as I can. Okay, so and sometimes some days someone register but they don't show up, and some days they just show up all of them at the same time. So be kind of plan ahead that you when you come and let me know. So
I have a question.
Lubita,
Yes.
yeah.
So,
Oh, so you had question about balance sheet, right? Your number match with us with the
yeah,
result. Okay, good.
I mean, at the beginning it was I have a different number. It matches, but it was a different number. But after reviewing yours, all set. Now on page 3.
Page 3, yeah.
On sales, the one, let me see, 1603200. For some reason, once I plug that number into the box and hit enter, is showing up like error. It is because the formula has to be plugged instead of a number. Even if I plug a formula, it doesn't work. How can I?
Can you show your screen? I guess that's easier.
Okay, let me. I got sick.
So why you need to plug though? These numbers should be come from. Oh, so you mean you get okay? So you show the screen. You show the screen. I guess it's easier to see.
Okay, 1 sec.
Can you share now? Hold on, let me see if I allow. Yeah, I already allowed. So you should able to share the screen. Okay, at the bottom, Lubita, it should have a green button say share screen. Should be close to chat function.
What exactly?
It should be if you see at the bottom of the yeah, at the bottom of Zoom, it has say share screen.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yep.
And click on that one. I haven't seen anything yet.
I have desktop one.
Desktop one.
Oh, share. I think at the bottom. Give me 1 sec.
Yep, it's coming up.
Okay.
So yeah, print me to your Excel file.
You see this number here?
Okay, let me get that. I guess I have your control. Let's see. Hold on. Can I?
say approve? Do it in remote control on your screen. So I just approve.
Yeah, just hit approve. Yeah, just hit approve request. No, I don't think I have asked. Oh, I don't think I have access your somehow. Still not. Keep my. That's okay, Lubita. I don't know why I couldn't type in. Go back. Can you click back to your
You can
Excel?
click the lock to make changes, and you can allow the teacher to control your computer.
How?
So you see the key on the bottom. Click the lock to make change on the left side. It's the same with my computer. So
which one?
You see on the bottom, that's the key. Like, yeah, can you click right there?
Right here?
Click the lock to make change. Okay, I think it should, and you just click on the Zoom. Use your password, like your Apple ID password. And then click zoom.us, and then should be good now. Click X off. You can click that off, like you can click the...
Where?
On the red button. Like you just click this window off and then you will be...
Which one? I don't understand.
So just click this off.
And click somewhere outside.
Yeah, just close the window, and then now I think the teacher can be control your computer.
Let me request again. And you just hit accept my control. My request. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, it's worked now. Thank you,
Okay.
Suwana.
No, it's Kate. It's Kate again, not Suwana.
Oh, Kurt.
It's Kate.
because
Yeah. I know.
because your voice is so similar to my student Suwana, so I just keep. I'm sorry.
No, I know. She's my good friend. So yeah, but
okay.
it's Kate. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, where's Suwana? See your friend very active in our class. Where are you?
I'm listening.
I'm just teasing her. Okay,
You
so,
mean Suwana P, right?
Suwana P, yeah. Oh, so
Yeah.
and Suwana S in the same group too, or no?
Who?
There are two Suwana in our class. Suwani.
I don't know her.
You don't know her? Okay.
Yeah, we just have the same name.
Okay. So
Yeah.
anyway, let's see. Let me check your. You don't have any formula here?
I didn't use formula, so it was easier for me just
That's
to
right. The number that I used.
type the number.
Yeah, you don't need to. That's fine. So you mean
But for example,
if I delete that and I enter here.
Type that number, right? Just type that number and then hit enter, and you will see it.
The reason why is that somehow the Excel, the person who set up the spreadsheet already give you the answer before you even figure it out on your own.
Some of them, like for example,
yeah. So it's as long as you know why you get 1603, then you just do a normal sum. That should work. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, they shouldn't give you they should give on the at least the total so that you know that you have to add this up.
Oh, okay.
Anyone else? Yeah.
Thank you. So you will stop sharing, okay?
Yeah, I will stop it.
Okay.
So what you I guess I have to oh again can you do me a favor, the class my class?
Are you talking to me?
No,
yes.
No. I talked to yeah, it's the student that in my class.
Yes.
So if you already finished project 4, but somehow if you don't have the name on the list that I will give you now, please let me know the report, the score that you get so that I can update your score on Moodle. Okay, for now, I only have Elder score, Vanina, Suwana P, right? Suwana S, Joanne, Prihat. That's all I have for your project 4. And then project 5. 5 also. I only have somehow it didn't show on the score view. For project 5, I only have Elder, Layla, Albert, Sonny, and John. That's it. That's all I have. So I just wonder, is there any reason that because you stuck with your assignment or you have issue with submitting because you don't want to lose 10 point because of late submission?
When is the due date for the project 5?
Project 5, let me check. Can see on Moodle. Maybe not due date yet. That's why the student didn't do.
Maybe Friday,
Oh, due Friday. Project
right?
4, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, due Friday.
Yeah, I'll do it
No,
tomorrow. I'll submit it
no.
tomorrow.
Project 4 due on 28 October 28 already.
No, I
Project
mean 5.
You mean 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 is 5 is November 4. Yeah, on Friday.
Okay.
That's why.
Yeah, I'll submit it tomorrow. I can't do the work while listening you.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, because I wonder because you already have the kind of the instruction already
Yeah.
on Friday, the last week, right? Last Friday.
Yeah.
We have Friday class.
I'm very bad like multiple tasking. Like I
No,
can't
no,
listening and working.
I totally understand. No, I don't mean to ask you to finish when we're in the class, but I just want
Okay.
because there's something wrong with because
No.
some of the one have score but not show on my end. That's why I just
Oh, okay. That's good.
okay. So make sure you stick around. Do on work on ever that you are on outstanding. We do
Yeah,
have to
okay.
do some correction. Yeah. Oh, project capstone 1. Please submit it. We still have more than 10 submission not submitted somehow. Yeah, we have 9 people haven't submitted. Again, don't wait until the last minute. If you want to clear them as soon as you do. Joanne, yeah, evaluation. We will do right now. if you around, you still.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. So why don't we do it, right? So get. Okay. So let me reach your name. Some of you, so you know that in the list that you need to do right now. Okay. Let me pull the list out. 95% of the folks in the class very good. Just I just have to worry couple of you even not started any project yet. But that, like I tell you, that's their fault because we already. I keep reminding. Okay, so I will need to do with Stephanie, Sonia, Layla, Lily, Talita, Eder. Okay. Natasha, Joanne, Brihat, Sonny, Vanina. Okay, so get your attendance ready and we will do quick. Okay, who ready? I can do first now.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Who just say sorry?
Joanne.
Joanne. Okay. I bring you to breakout room. Breakout room. Okay, Joanne. John, the room, the breakout room.
I think you,
Lubita,
yes.
what's your question? You ask something?
No, I mean, send me an invitation.
Okay, okay. Sorry, everyone. Don't go anywhere. Don't hit John except the one that I print. Okay. Hold on. Okay.
And
You don't need to move, and you don't need to move, and you don't need to hit any John room for breakout room. Just the one that I go with. So just ignore. Just stay on the main room. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Because if not, then we will do the same way that we miss each other at the first step of the class.
Okay.
I'm back in the main room.
Yeah. I try to now we back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hit John again, Joanne. Thank you. What's up, Joanne?
Hi.
How are you?
Doing good.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for being very good in the class. Although I don't see you, I haven't seen you. But you did very well. Did you have any background accounting, or you like do with accounting? You like it? You like accounting?
I don't.
Number?
I don't like. I like numbers. I don't necessarily like accounting.
Accounting. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. I mean, accounting on its own, I don't like it, but I like the other parts of finance. So.
Oh yeah, totally. Finance dealing with number, but more of analytics, right?
Yeah. So sometimes accounting gets a little boring for me because
that's true.
There's a lot of theories and it's, I don't know.
Where you from, Joanne?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Me, I'm from Ghana, West Africa.
How long you been in CSI?
So I started with another program, but I had to switch. So I think that would be in
AAP?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think I started in April.
Oh, so you've been almost 2 years now?
1 year.
1 year, okay.
Because I didn't finish the AAP.
Oh yeah, because they switch when you have one lab, right? It sucks, yeah. It's very sucks. But no, what I say? Every on your participation and on your work show that you very understanding well.
Yeah, even though I've done accounting before, this class was helpful for me because I forgot a lot of the theories and the things inside it.
Okay.
Because sometimes you forget certain things.
True, because like if we don't use that, we totally easy.
Exactly, when you don't use them, you forget them. So it was actually very helpful for me to like remember how to do all these things. And some of them I realized I actually had to go back to the book. And
yeah, that's true. For me too. Sometimes I have to Google because it's better to understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I work very long hours. So sometimes in the class I'm tired and I cannot participate as much. That's why my camera is always off and
no, but
I'm quiet.
I mean, but whenever I call you, you always around, and I totally appreciate it. But I know that you work hard because based on your result, I know. Okay, attendance percentage, how much you get?
I think it's, hold on, when you share the screen, it's 100. Wait, how do I
You know where to get that percentage?
Yeah,
You
I
go-
can see it, but I don't know which is it a percentage?
Yeah, percentage. They have on the right hand side say
Yeah.
attendance percentage. That's
It's
your
not-
attendance.
This
Okay,
one.
so I for sure that you don't have any missing assignment and on score EA, right?
Okay.
Right? On your score EA. Okay, so everything is good here. Excellent for being in the class and attending. Finish your job. So my comment for you, just keep up your good work. That's all. So next step will be just go to your email, CSI email, and electronically sign.
Okay.
Any
okay.
question for me, Joanne?
I just
Or feedback? I mean, not necessary question,
yeah,
but you.
yeah. I just want to say thank you for having the patience to go to go through the work with us, because I know that it can be very difficult for people who don't know accounting to
That's
pick it
true.
up.
That's why I do that, Joanne, because
And especially because it's virtual. It's
yes, yeah.
on Zoom, it's even harder. And I've done accounting for so many years. And when I think about how I feel about it, I imagine how it must be for the people who don't know anything about it.
Yeah, that's true. That's why I decided to go through, although it's not supposed to, but we would prefer that you work more on your own.
Yeah.
So that it will be more helpful for you.
Mm-hmm.
But I see, okay, I imagine that if even you because some of the students are from ESL and even they have hard time of understand the concept.
Yes.
So
But
that's why.
I think you give us a good balance of going through the work and then letting us do it on our
Yeah,
own. For example,
leave it your own.
today when you did some and then you said we should do the rest.
Yeah. I
For
try to.
those who are serious about learning it will try to do it themselves. Unfortunately, not everybody can be serious. But at least the people who want to learn will try
We'll
to
do it. Yeah, we'll do it. Yeah.
So thank you for your patience with us.
Anytime, Joanne. But honestly, I feel like your class very quiet. Is it a normal? I don't know how your last quarter. Is it the same group of people here or no? Because
So-
my class on Saturday and Sunday, if you come, it's very noisy.
Mm-hmm.
And people talk a lot, and I have to stop them all the time. But this one is the opposite. So that's why I just wonder, okay, they don't like me or what? It's just,
No, it's not you. So the class we had before, a lot of these people were in the same class, and it was so quiet. I remember the last
really?
class.
Yeah.
It was only me and Rupagia who used to talk about anything.
Oh yeah, he very smart. He very good too.
Yes. So it's only he and I who would talk about anything. We used to have group work and stuff like that.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
most
good to
people
know,
were so
Joanne.
quiet.
Okay.
So
Got it.
I don't know if it's the time.
I guess the time. Yeah, it's
Maybe
during
time.
this time very tired, huh?
Yeah.
Like
For
10,
the Pacific
10.
class, you do it in the morning, right?
Yeah, my class in the morning, Sunday, so they very energetic.
Yeah.
I have to break out. I have to make 2 breakout room every single class. So and also a lot of Brazilian students, so they speak Portuguese
There's a lot
over
of
the.
talking and back and forth and stuff.
Yeah,
like
that's true, and that's not very big. I have 36
Yeah,
36
that's a lot
students,
of people.
so it's a lot. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Joanne.
Okay.
Okay, anytime you just reach out. Okay, so we
Okay.
do more. Okay, thank you. Okay, Prihat, do you want to go next, right, Prihat? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Harry, next. Okay, I will let you do next, Harry. somewhere. Okay. Right here.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Laura.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. So I already signed the middle term, like the thing that I need to do right now. There's any
The
problem?
evaluation.
Yes.
Mm,
I had to go through with you, or?
yeah. I will call your name into breaker room.
Okay. All right.
We may not run. We may run out of time, but yeah, that's the couple of.
I already signed it, so has a
Oh, you
problem
already
with
said
that?
it. No.
Yes.
You already said it. You all said
Yes.
you don't have to worry that until next.
Okay. All right. I saw the email, so I just signed it. I check what you mark it as, so that's fine for me.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
I am finished the project 5, and I'm starting the capstone.
Yeah.
The
good.
project 5 is, what is the due date? I'm sorry to ask you.
You 5 should be on November. November 4th. That means on Wednesday.
Oh, okay. So it's fine. Thank you.
Mhm. Karen. Why just keep Karen. Okay, Brihat, can you
Yeah.
hit John? So Brihat, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay. Are you still at the store? Is it you said you have a convenience store, right? Are you still working now?
No.
Oh, so Sonny?
I'm sorry?
Are you?
Hello, you talking to me?
Yeah, Brihat, right?
Uh-huh.
No, I remember you said you at the first start you say you have a you own a convenience store. Is it correct?
No, that was not me.
Oh, okay. So that Sonny then.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So thank you for doing good job in the class we had. You an accountant too, right?
No,
Or
I'm
you-
not. I majored in accounting when like it was 5-6 years ago, but
Okay. You don't work in accountant.
no.
So are you an IT now, or what field that you working on, Brihat?
I'm in management, but right now I can't work in this term because
is it because the
first term for my
how long you been in the to CSI?
I think this is my second or third year. I forgot.
Okay. Yeah. So you're able to start and apply next quarter, right? Next.
Yes, yeah. Everything is in place. The employer that I used to work for is actually waiting for me to come back to work. So
Yeah, that's good. And you live in Mass, right? Or
I live in Massachusetts. I live in Somerville. It's close by.
Oh, close to the school. Very good. So any attendance percentage, how much you get?
I'm not sure. I haven't checked actually.
You know where to get?
Yes, I do. Let me just check
Yeah,
quickly.
just get it and give it to me.
It looks like 94.48.
94. 94.48, right?
Uh-huh.
And I don't think you behind any assignment, right? And on the score EA, is it correct?
Yes, I think project
up to
5 is the
project
one
5,
that I'm
okay.
doing. I haven't done project 5 yet, so
You haven't done, no, that's fine. You up to 4, that's already on the schedule. Yep. So the score EA for
okay.
average, right, Brihat?
I'm sorry.
The score, the average score that you have so far is an A, right? Over 90.
Yes, yes, yes.
So yeah, so everything let's see your evaluation. So everything is excellent in terms of being in the class and complete the assignment on time. So plan for improvement. I just hit keep up your good work. Okay. Any feedback question for me, Prihat?
Not exactly. Just like the Fridays are usually a little tough for me to be more active because usually I'm not available those times. You know.
That's true. Yeah, most of
So,
students have
uh,
to work.
yeah, except that Mondays and Wednesdays are usually always feasible.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's the only thing that actually bugs me.
But you still attend. That's fine as long as you.
Yeah, but I can't like, engage in conversations in that point because,
Yep.
I usually just basically I just, log in and try to catch up to whatever it is. That's the
Yeah.
reason I couldn't like focus much on project 5 because that was on Friday that we did.
That's true. Yeah, and you have the chance to visit back the video, right? So that
I have not. I'll probably do that
Alright.
on this Wednesday.
Okay, but you know that video available.
Yes.
So that, okay. Yes, you can visit if you need it. Okay. Thank you, Brihat.
No problem. Just one question.
Yep.
When is our last class for this term?
Should be December. Let me see. Should be
Because usually like it always ends before the set date on the calendar. Because I remember last year it was December 16 and it ended at December 3 or 4. So I just want to check so that
You may have travel plan.
yeah, that's why.
I know that's the time. Let me see.
Last year was the same thing. I went back to my country because of that. So I asked.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Oh, so you are the same country with Rubaga?
Yeah, Rupagi and I studied in the same university in Masters too. We have the same group circle. He joined because of me.
You mean MAST, MIT?
No. In Johnson Wales, we graduated from Johnson Wales, Rhode Island.
Oh, okay. So your last class will be on December 9.
December 9? Is it like the final or like does it?
Yeah, that's the final. That's what we have on the that's what we have on the syllabus.
Okay, that's fine. Because last time it was like December, the calendar showed December 16 or something, but we finished a week earlier. That's why I just wanted to confirm.
Yeah, but is it? Can you get a ticket now or not?
No, I was actually planning on traveling internally within the United States because now I can't travel like.
Yeah, that's true. It's very risky. And
Yeah,
14 days quarantine, whatever. I don't know if that's the case in your country too, but my country,
yeah, it is. Everywhere, I guess.
That, yeah. Okay. Anytime, Rachel, if you have question, okay, Rehab.
Sure, no problem. I will.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
Yeah. Okay. Sonny next. Sonny?
Yep.
Wow. Sorry, somehow I don't see your name in the list here. Hold on, let me close on again.
You got it?
Sonny, are you around?
I'm here. Can you hear me?
Hold on. You log in under, hold on, the name.
Yeah. Choose one with
Hello.
the picture
Yeah,
on
I'm
it.
sorry. My Wi-Fi is not working, so I just try to use it. I mean, I try to log in with my phone.
Oh, okay. No, that's totally fine. That's totally
Yeah,
fine.
sorry. I think I lost like an hour or something.
That's okay. I take care of that. Sonny,
Thank you so much.
Choose one with
you
the picture on it. Yes.
you log in under name of what? Yeah, is it Abhichaya?
Harry.
Right?
Huh?
No, Harry.
I think it's sorry. Yeah, it's my name.
Oh, Harry.
No, it says Harry on top.
That's Harry. Oh, no.
Did you find it?
No, I couldn't find your name here. Oh, should be Harry, right? My
Yep.
bad. Okay, so add two of them here.
Yeah. Choose one with
Should
the
I use
picture
the
on it.
one with the address or just
What
regular
one with the picture?
one with the picture? Okay,
Yes.
okay, got it. Okay, so you go to the room, breakout room. Hello, Harry. Hello. Harry. Hello. Okay, everyone. So it's time for you to leave, and then hey, good night. I will see you on Wednesday. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good night, everyone.
Thank
Good night.
See
Yeah.
you Wednesday.
Yeah. See you on Wednesday.
See you.
Okay. See you, everyone. Harry, we ran out of time. We can do. We will continue doing on Wednesday. Okay, and the rest of the one that didn't have the chance to do the evaluation yet. Harry,
Can
we
you
can
hear?
do Harry, we can do on Wednesday instead. Okay.
Okay. All right. All
I know
right.
we are running out of time. Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
everyone, and have a good night.
You too. Good night.
Good night.